Hello everyone. So in my previous class, I had concluded with the chapter matrices. In today's class, I'll be taking the next chapter, that is a fourth chapter, and the name of the chapter is determinant. So I'll give you the basic introduction about this chapter first. After that, I'll be solving few questions. So this is also an important chapter, an exam point of view. In the previous chapter matrices, after solving the question, we have got the answer as matrix. But here, after solving the question, we are getting a value, that is a digit. Okay. So that digit or the value what you are getting after solving the question is called as determinant. So for that, first you will be given a matrix and you have certain steps how to solve that matrix to find the determinant value. So in this chapter, you will be studying about 1 cross 1 matrix, how to find the determinant, about the 2 cross 2 matrix, that is 1 by 1, 2 by 2, and at last you have to find the determinant value of 3 by 3 matrix. It's a bit lengthy chapter, like how you had for matrix. So here you should be thorough with the calculation. There are so many formulas. The formulas are very simple, but those formulas, while solving the question, we have different types of question in this chapter. So you'll be confused with the formula, which formula to be used where. So for that, while studying or writing the notes, please make note of that formulas, okay? And one more thing, when you're listening to the class or the video which I am taking, please take your pen and book so that what are the steps I am telling you, and you'll be knowing better when you watch the video and write simultaneously. Or else simply writing, it won't be effective, it won't be that effective. So your time will be consuming. So for that, whenever you're watching my video, Max class, try to take your book and pen and start writing along with the class so that you'll be knowing better. Okay, you can solve the questions properly. Okay, that's it. So I'll begin with the class. I'll give you some basic introduction. So here, the first line, we can associate a number to every square matrix. We can associate a number to every square matrix of order n. This number is known as its determinant. That is what I said before. Like you'll be given a square matrix after solving square matrix of order n. N in the sense it can be 1 cross 1 matrix, it can be 2 by 2 matrix, or it can be 3 by 3 matrix. So here, while solving the matrix, the number what you are getting is your determinant value. We can also regard determinant as a function which associates every square matrix with a unique number. So all the square matrix, every square matrix will have a unique number. The determinant of A is denoted by DIT A, that is DET capital A. A should be capital. Or you can write capital A along with two vertical lines. Don't confuse this line with absolute value line. Okay, in absolute value, all the negative numbers, we have to write it as positive number. For example, absolute value of -2 So that answer will be always positive. So that will be positive 2. But here in determinant, negative value will be negative as it is. Positive will be positive. You shouldn't change any sign of the value. Okay. This line is vertical line. Like this you have tried determinant of A or delta. This is known as delta, triangle. So I'll be writing here delta. I think you all know in physics somewhere you might have studied about delta. Okay, delta. This is delta, triangle shaped one. Delta. This is determinant of A. So here in the next line, if matrix A is equal to ABCD, then determinant of A is written as, see here, determinant of A. You have to write A along with a vertical line. Whenever you are writing A, that is your matrix A, with vertical line, you have to change this matrix with vertical line. That is, this square bracket is removed and the place of square bracket, you have to write two vertical lines. I have difficulty in drawing lines, okay, that is why here everywhere if you see my lines are not proper. You have to put the proper line, okay. Line, you have to put the vertical line and write the elements A, B, C, D. This is your determinant of A. You can write det of A, determinant of A. Here I have not found out the value. I just shown you how to write determinant of A, okay. So here, determinant of a square matrix of order 1. So here, the first you have to find, I'll tell you how to find determinant of a square matrix of order 1. Order 1 means it should be 1 by 1 matrix. 1 row, 1 column. Okay. Let A is equal to matrix A11. That is only one element is there. 1 row, 1 column. Be a square matrix of order 1. Then the determinant of A is defined as determinant of A is equal to A11. That is, for order 1, square matrix of order 1, just only one element will be there inside this matrix. So whatever element are there inside that matrix, that is your determinant value. Is it clear for you? I'll give you an example. For example, consider my matrix A is matrix minus 3. This is 1 by 1 matrix. Then determinant of A. You'll put vertical line to this A. So this square bracket will be removed. Instead of that, you have to put two vertical line. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of minus 3. I had given you in the previous line that determinant of A is equal to A11. So A the element ആണ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. You have to write that element itself. No need to change the sign of it. So here you have 3 as negative. So the answer will be minus 3. No formula, nothing. Just you have to write the element what it is. In the second matrix I am having, if B is equal to matrix 3, this 3 is now positive. Then determinant of B is equal to determinant of 3. That is equal to 3. The element what is there in it. And one more thing, whenever you are finding determinant value, that matrix should be changed to determinant sign. Okay. Matrix matrix in the sign you cannot write the value. It will be wrong. Whenever you find a determinant, you have to put vertical line. That was about 1 by 1 matrix or order 1 matrix. Now you have to know how to find determinant value of 2 by 2 matrix or of order 2. So for that, let A is equal to matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. 2 row, 2 column. Be a square matrix of order 2. Then for this case you have the formula and it is very important. Okay. Then the determinant of A is defined as determinant of A is equal to this matrix bracket should be removed and you have to put vertical line A11, A12, A21, A22. You should be very thorough with this formula. Next formula you should be very thorough with that. Chapter okay, it will be difficult for you. Even a small plus and minus sign should be very carefully written. So see here how to get that formula. I'll write it over here. See here. A11 multiplied with A22 element, that is A11 into A22. I have not put the multiplication sign here. A11, A22. That means A11 is multiplied with A22. For example, you are having 1 here, 2 here. So 1 into 2. That is your A11 into A22. Then it is always negative. A11, A22 minus A21 താഴേന്ന് മുകളിലേക്ക്. Okay, A21 into A12. You cannot take A12 into A21. Okay, you cannot take like this. It should be A21 into A12. Should be very careful while writing the numbers. A11 into A22, always it is negative, minus A21 into A12. That is how you have to find the determinant value of order 2 matrix. The product of the main diagonal element. This is the main diagonal element. Okay, this is main diagonal element. The product means multiplication of these two elements minus the product of other element minus the product of other element. A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12. So here I have given you a question. Evaluate determinant 2, 4 minus 1, 2. So here I'll write the question as it is. You have to find determinant value. This is 2 by 2 matrix. You can see on the screen it is a 2 by 2 matrix. So here 2 into 2. 2 into 2 minus 1 into 4. The arrow mark should be like this. Minus 1 into 4. 2 into 2 is your 4 minus 1 into 4 is your minus 4. That is equal to 4. I'll be writing as it is. Minus it is plus. Again the next 4. So 4 plus 4 is your 8. This is the value I am telling. The determinant value. This is the determinant value. Whenever you are solving a determinant question, at last you will be finding only a digit, only a number. Okay, this is the determinant value. Here you won't get any matrix at the end. So for this question, 8 is your answer. Similarly, you have the next question. Evaluate determinant x, x minus 1, x plus 1 and x. So here you have to find determinant value. X into x. See here, x into x minus x plus 1 into x minus 1. X plus 1 into x minus 1. There are 4 terms. X, 1, x minus 1. So this you have tried, put it in a big bracket. So x into x is your x square minus. Here I am using the identity. Which identity should I use? A plus b into a minus b. So here a plus b into a minus b. What is the answer? a square minus b square. So here x square minus 1 square. The next step I'll be writing x square as it is, minus minus x square minus 1 square. 1 square is 1. So minus into x square minus x square, minus into minus, it is plus, then 1. So x square minus x square got cancelled and only plus 1 is left out. So the answer for this question is 1. I hope you have understood something about determinant after solving these two questions. Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next question. The next question I'm having, if determinant of x 3, 5, 2 is equal to 5, then x equal to how much? What is the value? I have to find the value of x. So again here also, you are given what is there in RHS, right? It is given as 5. So x into 2 minus 5 into 3. This is how you have to find the determinant because it is a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows, 2 columns. X into 2 is 2x minus 5 into 3 is 15. That is equal to 5. So minus 15 when it comes to right side, it is plus 15. So that will be 20. Right side you get the value as 20. The left side you are having 2 into x, 2x. How will I get the value of x? So multiplied by 2, isn't it? So this 2 you have to take it to the right side. So multiplied by 2, when it comes to right side, it will be division. So 20 by 2, that is equal to 10. So the answer for x is 10. Similarly, next question. If determinant of x1, 1x is equal to 15, then find the values of x. So here, determinant x into x minus 1 into 1. So here x into x is x square, 1 into 1 is 1, and here in between you are having negative sign, minus, subtraction, is equal to 15. X square minus 1 it comes to right side, it is plus 1. So 15 plus 1, it is 16. So x square is equal to 16. So if I want only x, I have to remove this square. So I'll take that square root to the right side. So x equal to square root of 16. If it is square root, you will be having two values. That is plus or minus. Square root of 16 is 4. So you got the value of x as plus or minus 4. You have two values for x. The next question, similar as the previous one, I have given 3x, x and 1. And right side I am having determinant 3, 2, 4 and 1. You have to do it yourself. Okay, you have to do it yourself. How will you do? You have to multiply. 3 into 1 minus x into x. That will be your LHS. Is equal to, again, 3 into 1 minus 4 into 2. That will be your RHS. So 3 into 1, 3 minus x into x, x square, that is equal to 3 into 1, 3 minus 4 into 2 is 8. So here 3, I'll write as it is. My plus 3 when it comes to right side, it should be minus 3, minus 8, and it comes to left side, plus 8, that is equal to minus x square. When it comes to right side, it will be x square. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So x square is 8. Right. So from here, the value of x is square root of 8. So this will be plus or minus. Okay, you have to do it. So till now, I have discussed about how to find determinant value of order 1 matrix and order 2 matrix. Now moving on to the next order, that is order 3. How to find determinant of a square matrix of order 3. So here you have 3 by 3 matrix of order 3, then determinant. You have to replace the square bracket by vertical line. After that, it's a bit confusing, so please listen and watch carefully the screen. I'll tell you how to do it. Okay. So idle you are having 3 by 3, 3 row and 3 column. So 3 by 3 matrix aanengile first it's better to write the sign. Idile sign important aanu. So here first column le varunathu adayathu this will be positive, negative, then positive. Either question solve cheyyumbozhum if you write plus minus plus, it will be helpful for you. You can remember the sign. Okay. So see here the next line. Any ningal cheyyendadu, you have to take the first element A11. A11. Any A11 ഏത് റോയിലാണോ അല്ല ഏത് കോളമിലാണോ ഉള്ളത് that you have to ignore. That means A11 ഉള്ള റോ A11 ഉള്ള കോളം you have to ignore. അതല്ലാണ്ട് എത്ര എലമെന്റ് ബാക്കിയുണ്ട്? ഇതാണ് ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് അല്ലേ? A22, A23, A32, A33. അതാണ് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് A22, A23, A32, A33. And A11 പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്, പ്ലസ്. സോ ഞാനിവിടെ പോസിറ്റീവ് എഴുതിയില്ല കാരണം ഓൾറെഡി ദിസ് ഈസ് പോസിറ്റീവ്. അതായത് ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ -2 ആണെങ്കിലും ഞാനത് -2 തന്നെ എഴുതും. ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ്ങിൽ നിങ്ങൾ പ്ലസ് മീൻസ് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെന്ന് അർത്ഥം. അതായത് ഏത് നമ്പർ അവിടെ ഉണ്ട് ജസ്റ്റ് യു ഹാവ് റൈറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് നമ്പർ, നോ നീഡ് ടു പുട്ട് എനി സൈൻ ഓവർ ദിയർ. ഓക്കെ. സോ ഇവിടെ നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ ആണെങ്കിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് റൈറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ, ദാറ്റ്സ് ഇറ്റ്. അത് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആക്കി എഴുതാൻ പാടില്ല. -2 ആണ് ഇവിടെ ഉള്ളതെങ്കിൽ -2 തന്നെ എഴുതണം, അത് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആക്കി എഴുതാൻ പാടില്ല. ഓക്കെ. സോ അങ്ങനെ ഫസ്റ്റ് എലമെൻറ്റും അതിന് ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റും എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞു. അത് ഇറേസ് ഇറ്റ്. അതിൽ ഞാൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഉള്ളത് പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. നെക്സ്റ്റ് സെക്കൻഡ് A12, അതിൻ്റെ സൈൻ എന്താണ്? മൈനസ്. സോ ഐ റൈറ്റ് മൈനസ് ഓവർ ഹിയർ. ഐ ഹോപ്പ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വിസിബിൾ ഹിയർ. മൈനസ് A12. A12 ഏത് നമ്പറാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉള്ളതെങ്കിലും അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഒരു നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇടണം, മൈനസ് സൈൻ. ഇനി ഈ A12 ഉള്ള കോളം, A12 ഉള്ള റോ ഞാൻ ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്തു. ബാക്കി ഏതൊക്കെ എലിമെൻ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവും? 4 എണ്ണം ഉണ്ടാവും. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് A21. അതാണ് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. A21, A23, A23, A31, A33, A31, A33. അത് നെക്സ്റ്റ് സെറ്റ്. അതേപോലെ ലാസ്റ്റ് വൺ സൈൻ പോസിറ്റീവ്, പോസിറ്റീവ് A13 എഴുതി. ഓക്കെ. ഹിയർ ഇനി A13 ഉള്ള റോ, A13 ഉള്ള കോളം ഞാൻ ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ബാക്കി 4 എലമെൻറ്റ് ഹിയർ A21, A21, A22, A22, A31, A31, A32, A32. അത് എഴുതി. ഫൈൻ. ഐ ഹോപ്പ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ക്ലിയർ ടു യു ഓൾ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യണം? നെക്സ്റ്റ് ലൈനിൽ A11, ഇത് ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ എഴുതും. here A11. Then നിങ്ങൾ നോർമൽ 2x2 മാട്രിക്സിന്റെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് അതേപോലെ ചെയ്യണം. ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് 2x2 ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് അല്ലേ? ലൈന് വരച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്, വെർട്ടിക്കൽ ലൈനാണിത്. 2x2 4 എലമെന്റ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. A22 ഇൻറ്റു A33 മൈനസ് A32 ഇൻറ്റു A23. അതാണ് ഇവിടെ A22 ഇൻറ്റു A33 മൈനസ് A32 ഇൻറ്റു A23. നെക്സ്റ്റ് മൈനസ് A12 അത് എഴുതി, minus A12. After that again you have to do it same as 2x2 determinant. A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23. ഇതൊക്കെ ബൈ ഹാർട്ട് ചെയ്താലൊന്നും കിട്ടുന്നതല്ല. It should be practiced properly. Okay. Next A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23. And the next last term A13 അതേപോലെ A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. So this is your final formula. 3 by order 3 ന്റെ final formula ആണിത്. Okay, you have to remember. പിന്നെ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ മെത്തേഡ് അനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് ചെയ്താലും മതി. പോസിറ്റീവ്, നെഗറ്റീവ്, പോസിറ്റീവ്, ഫസ്റ്റ് എലമെന്റ് ഇഗ്നോറിങ് ഫസ്റ്റ് റോ ഫസ്റ്റ് കോളം, ബാക്കി 4 എലമെന്റ് അതിൻ്റെ ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ്. അതേപോലെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് സൈന് മൈനസ് ആണ്, ആ എലമെന്റ് എഴുതും. ആഫ്റ്റർ ദാറ്റ് ആ എലമെന്റ് ഉള്ള റോ ആൻഡ് കോളം ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ബാക്കി 4 എണ്ണം. അതേപോലെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ആ എലമെന്റ് ഉള്ള റോ ആൻഡ് കോളം ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ബാക്കി 4 എണ്ണം. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. While solving the question you will be knowing it better. So is known as expansion of the determinant along the first row. First rowയിലാണ് normally questions ചോദിക്കല്. ഫസ്റ്റ് റോയിലാണ് നോർമൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചോദിക്കല്. ഫസ്റ്റ് റോ ചോദിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിലും അങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇവാലുവേറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നാൽ അങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇനി സപ്പോസ് ഇൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇഫ് യു ആർ ആസ്ക്ഡ് ഇവാലുവേറ്റ് ദ ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് അലോങ് ദി സെക്കൻഡ് റോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തേർഡ് കോളം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തേർഡ് റോ, അങ്ങനെയാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉള്ളതെങ്കിൽ ഞാനിവിടെ പേർപ്പിൾ എഴുതിയ ഈ സൈൻ, ദിസ് ഇസ് വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. ഞാൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് റോൻ്റെ ആണ് ഇത് പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് പ്ലസ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതിയത്. ശരിയാ, R1 ആണ് ഞാൻ എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ ചെയ്തത് പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് പ്ലസ്. സെക്കൻഡ് റോ ആണെങ്കിൽ മൈനസ് പ്ലസ് മൈനസ്, അതായത് പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് പ്ലസ് ആൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് സൈൻ ഇട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്നതാണിത്. ഓക്കെ, so if you are asked to solve second row, for example I am having 1 minus 1 2 3 5 0 minus 3 2 5 ഇതാണ് മാട്രിക്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് എല്ലാം സെക്കൻഡ് റോ ആണ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളെങ്കിൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ എക്സ്പാൻഡ് അലോങ് R2 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സെക്കൻഡ് റോ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഹിയർ സെക്കൻഡ് റോയിൽ ഇവിടെ ഏതാണ് സൈനുള്ള ഹിയർ നെഗറ്റീവ് അല്ലേ. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഐ പുട്ട് ദിസ് മൈനസ്, ഇതാണ് സെക്കൻഡ് റോ R2. സോ ഐ റൈറ്റ് മൈനസ്, മൈനസ് എഴുതി, ഈ മൈനസ് ആണ് ഇത്. പിന്നെ ഏതാണ് എലിമെന്റ് 3. ഇനി ഈ 3 ഉള്ള റോ ആൻഡ് ഈ 3 ഉള്ള കോളം ഞാൻ ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്യും. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ബാക്കിയുള്ള എലമെന്റ് ഏതാണ് -1 ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്യണം. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യല്. ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് റോ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്തത്, ആ എലമെന്റ് ഉള്ള റോ ആൻഡ് കോളം ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്തു. അതേപോലെ സെക്കൻഡ് റോ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ മൈനസ് എഴുതി, ഇവിടെ സൈൻ അതാണുള്ളത്. സോ 3 ഞാൻ എഴുതി, ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്ത് ദാറ്റ് റോ ആൻഡ് ദാറ്റ് കോളം. ബാക്കി ഏതാണ് ബാക്കിയുള്ളത്, -1 2 2 5. നെക്സ്റ്റ് സൈൻ പോസിറ്റീവ് പ്ലസ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഏതാണ് എലിമെന്റ് R2 5. ഇനി ഈ 5 ഉള്ള റോ ആൻഡ് ഈ 5 ഉള്ള കോളം ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്യണം. ബാക്കി നമ്പർ ഏതാണ്? 1 2 -3 5. പിന്നെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് നെഗറ്റീവ് മൈനസ് ഏതാണ് നമ്പർ ഉള്ളത്? 0 അല്ലേ? ക്യാൻ സീ ഇറ്റ് പ്രോപ്പർലി. 0. ഫൈവ് ആണ് ഉണ്ടായത് അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ 0. സോ 0 ഉള്ള റോ ആൻഡ് കോളം ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ബാക്കി എലിമെന്റ് 1 -1 -3 2. പിന്നെ നോർമൽ ഇപ്പം ചെയ്ത പോലെ തന്നെ ചെയ്യണം. -3 എഴുതി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് -1 into 5 -2 into 2 +5. പിന്നെ ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൽ 1 into 5 -3 into 2. 2/2 മാട്രിക്സ് എങ്ങനെയാണ് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതേപോലെ ഇതും ചെയ്യണം. ലാസ്റ്റ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സോൾവ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് ലാസ്റ്റ് ഓൺലി വൺ വാല്യൂ ദാറ്റ് വിൽ ബി റിമെയിൻഡ്. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് യുവർ ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് വാല്യൂ. അതേപോലെ ഇതും 1 into 2 -3 into -1 സോൾവ് ചെയ്തെങ്കിൽ കിട്ടും. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ സൈൻ ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. So here, see the question. Evaluate the determinant. You have the matrix 3 -1 -2 0 0 -1 3 -5 and 0. So in the square bracket you have to remove and be replaced by a vertical line. So after that, this is a 3/3 matrix. 3/3 matrix. So you have to do it using this formula. Okay. So here I'll write the matrix as it is. So here 3 -1 -2 0 0 -1 3 -5 0. First I'll be writing this 3 as it is 3 and E3 row and this column is removed, ignored. So rest of the element 0 -1 -5 0 അതിവിടെ ഞാൻ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. And next and the next it is minus ഈ മൈനസ് ആണ് ഞാൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ള മൈനസ്. ഓക്കെ മൈനസ് ദെൻ ഈ -1 -1 I wrote it here. Now ഈ -1 ഉള്ള row and this column should be removed. So rest of the elements are 0 -1 3 and 0. I wrote it over here. And in the next plus on sign, I wrote this plus over here. Then I wrote this plus over here. After that this -2 any e -2 ഉള്ള row and this column should be ignored. ബാക്കി 4 എണ്ണം 0 0 3 and -5 I wrote it over here. The next line I'll be writing 3 as it is. 2/2 matrix. How to solve to get the value, determinant value? You have to multiply 0 into 0 minus 0 into 0. See here 0 into 0 minus -5 into -1 here. Minus and minus it is plus 1. Any first line മാത്രം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് vertical line ഇട്ടാൽ മതി. Next line എല്ലാം you have to put the bracket. 0 into 0 minus 3 into -1 here. Then plus and minus it is -2 0 into -5 minus 3 into 0. Next line you have to simplify. 0 into 0 is 0. You have tried 3 as it is. -5 into -1 is it positive 5 plus 1. 0 into 0 0 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus and minus plus 3. Minus 2. ഇത് മൊത്തം 0 കൂടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ഫുൾ ടേം 0 ആയിട്ട് മാറി. Again 3 I'll write as it is. 0 minus 5 minus 5 plus 1 plus 1. 0 plus 3 3. 0 minus 0 0. 0 ne konde ഏത് number multiply ചെയ്താലും that will be 0. So here you got the value 0. And next 3 into minus 5, that is minus 15, plus 1 into 3 is 3 minus 0. So minus 15 plus 3 minus 0, you got the value as minus 12. So minus 12 ആണ് ഇതിന്റെ answer, determinant value. Similarly, next question, you have the matrix. I'll write determinant, vertical line എഴുതും, plus minus plus, again 0 ഞാൻ എഴുതി, ignoring this column and this row. 0 minus 3 3 0. 0 minus 3 3 0. Next minus minus 1 ഞാൻ എഴുതി x1. ഇനി ഇതിലുള്ള column and ഇതിലുള്ള row ഞാൻ ഇഗ്നോർ ചെയ്യുന്നു. ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 0. I wrote it here. And the next is plus 2 plus 2. Same way I'll get minus 1 0 minus 2 3. Then ഇതിൽ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ you have to multiply and finally see that you get this value 0. Doubt ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കാം. Okay, and this you have to do it yourself. Third matrix, 2 minus 1 minus 2 0 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. You'll get the answer as 5. You have to do it by yourself. And the next question, I'm having a matrix A is equal to matrix 1 1 5 0 1 3 0 minus 1 minus 2. What is the value of determinant of 3A? ഇതിൽ A ന്റെ determinant അല്ല ചോദിച്ചത്. You have to find determinant of 3 into A. So first you have to multiply the matrix with 3. After multiplying the matrix with 3, you have to find the determinant value. Here it is a 3 by 3 matrix. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ 3 by 3 matrixന്റെ formula use ചെയ്യണം. So 3 into A, you know how to multiply. Okay, I'll not explain it. It is over here. 3 നെ കൊണ്ട് matrix മൊത്തം multiply ചെയ്യണം. After that, ഈ matrixന്റെ determinant ആണ് you have to find. 3 3 15 0 3 9 0 minus 3 minus 6. So plus minus plus. 3 into 3 row and column I'll ignore. 3 9 minus 3 minus 6. I wrote it here. Next term minus 3 here. Any this column and this row I'll ignore. 0 9 0 minus 6. I wrote it here. Then plus 15 column and row I'll ignore. So here 0 3 0 minus 3. I wrote it here. Any 3 I'll write it as it is. 2 by 2 matrix. And I solve in a 3 into minus 6 minus 3 into 9 minus 3 0 into minus 6 minus 0 into 9 here, plus 15 into 0 into minus 3 minus 0 into 3. Then normal multiplication, addition, subtraction. You know it. So the last value, you'll get it as 27. Next, there is small note over here. If A is any square matrix of order n, then determinant of K into A is equal to K power n into determinant of A, where K is a scalar. Scalar means you can multiply with any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number. So based on this note, this is very important. determinant of, determinant of k into a is equal to k power n into determinant of a. So here I have a question based on this note. Let A be a square matrix of order 2 by 2. So this is your n, which is said over here, order n. So here order is 2. That is, it should be a square matrix, 2 by 2. Then determinant of k into a, that is either, is equal to this n should take the value, this n should take the value of order of matrix. So here order of matrix is 2. You have 4 options: k into determinant of a, k square into determinant of a, k cube into determinant of a, 2 into k into determinant of a. So what will be the answer for this question based on this note? Yes, it is B is your answer, k square determinant of a, because you have the formula k power n into determinant of a. This n is your order. So here the order is 2. That is how in the place of n it came as 2. For example, in the question, if it is asked 5 into 5, 5 by 2, 5 by 5 matrix. So the answer will be k power 5 into determinant of a. This should be the answer. If the question it is asked 5 by 5 matrix. Okay, so the answer is k power 2 into determinant of a. Similarly, we have the next question. If a is equal to matrix 1, 2, 4, 2, then show that determinant of 2a is equal to 4 into determinant of a. I hope whatever I have wrote in the slide is understandable. So go through the slide, go to the answer and write yourself. I have given all these steps. Okay. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask. Because it is same as the previous problem. Just you have to check when RHS should be equal to, LHS should be equal to RHS. First you have to solve for LHS, then you have to solve for RHS. So in LHS you have to multiply this matrix A with 2. Only then you have to find the determinant value. And in the RHS, first you have to find the determinant of A. That is, you have to find determinant of this question. After that, the value what you are getting for the determinant, to that value you have to multiply this 4. Okay, there is a difference. See here, there is a difference between determinant of 4a and 4 into determinant of a. In the first case നിങ്ങൾ 4 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം മാട്രിക്സിനെ, and that matrix determinant you have to find. In the second case, നിങ്ങൾ determinant of a കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് പിന്നെ later that answer you have to multiply with this 4. Okay, you have to keep it in mind when you get these type of questions. Next is area of a triangle. ഇതിനു മുമ്പ്, before this area of triangle, you have the topic properties of determinant. Very important topic, bit lengthy topic aanu, subtopic aanu. So that I will be taking in the next class. This is small topic, so I thought I'll just do it in this class and finish it off. Okay, so ഇതിനു മുമ്പ് ഒരു topic ഞാൻ വിട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, that I'll be taking in the next class. So here, area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. So that is the other part. So here, area of the triangle, you have vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So in a triangle, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. You have to draw this triangle in your notebook. So അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ you have this is delta, okay, this is not A, this is delta. Delta is equal to, you have the formula half into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Okay, this is your formula for finding area of a triangle if three vertices are given. All these points, vertices will be given in the question. You have to just simply put into the formula, substitute inside the formula. Similarly, you have to prove this is collinear. All these points are collinear. To find these points are collinear, this area of triangle should be 0. This is half multiply ചെയ്തതാണ്. So this half, when it comes to right side, it will be divided. So ഇതെന്തായിട്ട് മാറും? 0 ആയി തന്നെ കിട്ടും. So here you have the formula. Determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1 is equal to 0. So this is your collinearity condition. Okay. Whatever topic I discussed today is very, very important. At least 1 or 2 questions will be there here and there somehow. Okay. So don't think that only one questions always only that is not important. So there are, if you see the textbook, exercise question anengilum, solved questions anengilum, there are plenty of questions given in the textbook for your practice. Please do it and see. It will be really helpful for you to keep the time management while doing it in the exam. Okay. ഇതെല്ലാം determinant and matrix ഇതെല്ലാം ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കുറേ time consume ചെയ്യും exam hall. So for that, it is better you solve it before itself and thorough with the topic. Okay. So here the question, what is the area of the triangle with vertices at the points 1, 1, 1 minus 1 and 2, 1. So here I have the vertices. ഒരു ബ്രാക്കറ്റിനുള്ളിൽ x1 ഉം y1 ഉം. Okay, x1 x2 ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So here I am having the formula and I'll be substituting in the place of x1 as 1 and substituting. Okay, 1, 1, 1. This 1, what you are seeing it here, is the formula the 1 on. Okay, here. Other than that, you have to substitute the numbers, points. After that, I'll write half as it is. Determinant ആണ് 3 by 3 ആണ് ഇത് മാട്രിക്സ്. അതിൻ്റെ ഡിറ്റർമിനൻ്റ് ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്. സോ പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് പ്ലസ് മുമ്പ് ചെയ്ത പോലെ തന്നെ പോസിറ്റീവ് 1, 1 ഉള്ള റോ ആൻഡ് കോളം ഐ ഇഗ്നോർ, -1 into 1. സോ ഇത് ഞാനിവിടെ ഷോർട്ട് ടേൺ ആണ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. സി ഹിയർ 1 I'll write as it is, -1 into 1 here, -1, -1 into 1, 1. Steps miss ചെയ്തതിന് ഞാൻ ചെയ്തത് means I wrote it to reduce the step. minus 1, 1. ഇനി ഈ 1 ഉള്ള column and this row I'll ignore. പിന്നെ ഏതാണ് ബാക്കി? 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 into 1, 2. Next, plus 1 here, plus 1. I'll ignore this 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So half 1 ആണിത് minus 1 എത്രയാണ് minus 2 bracket ആണ്. So this should be multiplication. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, which is inside the bracket. So this is multiplication. Plus 1 plus 1 minus plus. So 1 plus 2 it is 3. So here 1 into 1 is 1 itself. So half 1 into minus 2 minus 2. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus with minus plus 1 plus 1 into 3 is 3. So here half into minus 2 plus 1 plus 3 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 2. So here 1 by 2 into 2. This 2 multiplication ആണ്. So got cancelled. So 1 into 1 is 1. Whenever you are writing the answer for area of triangle, you should write this, or else your half mark will be lost. Square units in എഴുതണം. And area of triangle answer negative ആണെങ്കിൽ കൂടി you have to write the answer as positive. If it is minus 20 square units നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ you have to ignore this negative. So നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, പോസിറ്റീവ് വാല്യൂ മാത്രമാണ് എടുക്കേണ്ടത്. Okay, but whenever you are given the area of triangle in the question, സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ മൈനസ് എടുക്കണം, പ്ലസ് എടുക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, അത് ഞാൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. You'll know it, how to do it. So this is for yourself. I have given 2 questions. You have to find the area of triangle. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. I have given the answer. So you have to do it. This is your homework. You have to do it. x1, y1, x2, y2. This is 1. Okay, 2,7, 1,1, 10,8, x3, y3. 2 questions. Do it yourself. ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. The next question, show that the points 2, 13, minus 1, 1, minus 3, minus 7 are collinear. So collinear, the area of triangle should be 0. So I have written the formula: x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. And നിങ്ങൾ ഇതിലുള്ള points you have to substitute. So here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So I'll write the points plus minus plus. You have to do it like how you are finding the determinant value of 3 by 3 matrix, ignoring this row, this column, ബാക്കി 4 number അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തിട്ട് you have to get the answer. What should be the answer for collinear? For collinear, the answer should be 0. 0 അല്ലാത്ത ആൻസർ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ആൻസർ തെറ്റാണ്. So show that ആണെങ്കിൽ you have to prove. Proving time നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആൻസർ 0 ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ കിട്ടണം. So hence the given points are collinear. See here in the next question, you have to find the value of k. If area of triangle is given, see 4 square units തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് area of triangle, and the question you are having x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, k0, 4, 0, 0, 2. Area of triangle, ഇത് a അല്ല, triangle ആണ്. That is equal to 4 square unit. So we'll substitute the formula here, equal to 4 square units ആണെങ്കിൽ, if area of triangle is given in the question, you have to write plus or minus 4. Okay, plus or minus 4. And the next line, you have to substitute the value for this. So half k01, 401, 021, plus minus plus, plus or minus 4. And then is your simplification. 3 by 3 matrix. കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്ന പോലെ determinant you have to find left side. So here you'll get 1 by 2 multiplied ആണ്. So 1 by 2 multiplied anengil, when it comes to right side, it will be 1 by 2 into 4. Sorry, not 1 by 2 into 4. This is P by Q formula. So here 1 divided by 2. So divided by 2 when it comes to right side, it will be multiplied. So this is 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, so here 4 into 2 is 8. Plus or minus, plus or minus. Each step I want plus or minus. So here minus 2, minus 0. That is minus 2k itself. Minus 2k minus 0, minus 2k plus 8 plus 8. The next line, plus or minus, we have to find two values. So first positive 8 and the next you have to find negative 8 minus 8. So you'll get the value for k as two values. So here minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 8, minus 2k plus 8, and it comes to right side minus 8. 8 minus 8 0, minus 2k is equal to 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ k ന്റെ value 0 ആയിരിക്കും. Or minus 2k plus 8 is equal to minus 8. രണ്ടാമത്തെ value എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട് minus 8. Minus 2k is equal to plus 8. When it comes to right side, minus 8. Minus 8, minus 8, it is minus 16. Left side and right side I am having negative value. So that is cancelled. So 2k is equal to 16. 2k is equal to 16 ആണെങ്കിൽ k is equal to multiplied by 2. So it comes to right side, divide by 2. So k is equal to 8. That is your answer for k. Next is equation of a line passing through two given points. You are having equation of line on it. So here equation of line ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. So in your answer നിങ്ങൾക്ക് number കിട്ടൂല. You will get an equation with x and y term. Okay, you will get an equation with x and y term. For that you have the formula xy1. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ എഴുതും. xy ഇതിൽ കൊടുക്കാനില്ല. ഇതും ഫോർമുലയിലുള്ള പോലെ തന്നെ എഴുതും. xy1 1 1. ഇത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ എന്താണ് തന്നത്? പോയിന്റ് x1 y1 x2 y2 നിങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യും. That should be equal to 0. എന്നാലേ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് equation കിട്ടും based on x and y. Okay, remember this formula. So here find the equation of the line joining the points 1, 2, minus 3, minus 2 using determinant. Triangle the question alla. Triangle the question aanengil you will get 3 points. Here you have to find the equation of the line. So this will be your x1 y1 x2 y2. You have to find the equation of the line using determinant. On. So I wrote what are x1 y1 x2 y2 value. Write the formula xy1. This is your formula. So here you are having the formula xy1 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 is equal to 0. So how will you solve? You have to put plus minus plus. Then you have to find the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. That is plus x. You have to ignore this row and this column. So 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus y. So here you have to ignore first row and the second column. So 1 into 1, 1, minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Plus 1. So ignoring this column and this row, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, that is equal to 0. The next line x I'll write as it is, then minus minus plus, so 2 plus 2 it is 4, minus y 1, minus minus plus 1 plus 3 it is 4, so minus y into 4 plus 1 into minus 2 minus minus plus 6, minus 2 plus 6 it is 4, that is equal to 0. So here x into 4 is 4x, minus y into 4 is 4y, plus 1 into 4 is 4, that is equal to 0. And the next line, I'll take 4 common. 4 is common here. Taking outside the bracket, 4 into x is 4x, minus 4 into y is 4y, plus 4 into 1 is 4. So 4 I'll take it common outside the bracket. So this multiplied by 4, when it comes to right side, it will be division. So right side will get 0 by 4 is 0. So here left side only x minus y plus 1 is remaining. So this is your required equation for this points. So this is how you have to solve the question. So I hope today's class is clear to you all. If you have any doubt, please ask me and submit your notes on time, or else you'll lose your internal mark. I'm noting who are all submitting on time, and whoever submitted late, I'll reduce their mark. So I hope today's class is understandable. So I'll take the next topic in the next class. So that's all for today. Thank you, children. Have a good day. Thank you.